In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Outlook to Google Workspace Gmail 5 minutes. We're moving your organization's email from Outlook, specifically Microsoft Exchange Online, into Google Workspace Gmail using Google's built-in data migration service. You'll need access to the Google admin console with sufficient privileges and someone who can authorize with a Microsoft Global Administrator account. Have a simple CSV ready that lists each source Outlook address and its matching Google Workspace address. This process won't interrupt existing email while it runs, and you can monitor progress as it goes. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console. From the Home dashboard, open the Data section. This is where Google gathers tools related to moving and managing information for your domain, and it's the quickest path to the migration features you need. Next, choose Data Import and Export. On that page, look for Data Migration, marked as the new experience. This opens Google's guided workflow designed specifically for moving email from other platforms. When prompted to choose a source, select Microsoft Exchange Online. This tells Google exactly how to connect, so you don't need to build any custom connectors or handle complex settings manually. It also ensures that modern, secure authorization is used between both systems. Go ahead and click Migrate to begin the setup. You'll see an option to connect your Microsoft tenant. Click Connect, then use the Authorize button and sign in with a Microsoft Global Administrator account for the tenant that hosts the Outlook mailboxes you're moving. Approve the requested permissions. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as you normally would. Once connected, you'll be brought back to the migration flow. Now upload your CSV file that maps old Outlook addresses to their new Google Workspace counterparts. Keep the list clean and accurate. One column for the source email, one for the destination Google Workspace email. Make sure destination accounts already exist in Google Workspace before you upload. The tool can't deliver messages to users who haven't been created yet. With your mappings in place, click Start Migration. The service immediately begins pulling mail for each mapped user. You can watch the status for each account, pause or resume as needed, and safely navigate away while the migration continues in the background. Large mailboxes can take longer, so let it run until you see a completed status. That's it. You've connected Google Workspace to Microsoft Exchange Online, uploaded your user mappings, and started the migration to Gmail. Once finished, users can sign into Gmail and see their moved mail right in their inbox.